Hey there, my gamer friend, what's up? This is a test video because I want to show you how YouTube is altering the way we make videos. I'm known in my channel of 2,000 subscribers to make a video for one view, for one gamer, just so it can approach and help the problem, because this channel is my hobby. At the maximum money I make being monetized is $40 a month, and that doesn't matter to me. This is my hobby and I want to help you be a better gamer. But I've noticed recently a change in YouTube on how they alter the way we put together our videos. So this is going to be a test video to show you what I'm encountering as I do it. So I'm going to make some screen saves and we're going to get right to it. So to record any video you make, whether it be from your camera, a live audio with a picture of a tree while you play the piano, it doesn't matter. Gaming, anything. You go to the top right of a YouTube page, you will see your name or symbol on the right. In my case, it's the red D in the top right hand side. To the left of it, you will see an upload button. You want to push that. And when you do, it will open up three things you can do. You want to do only the top portion, which is upload video. And here it is pulled down. You see it, upload video. I'm going to click on the upload video by the camera symbol next to your notifications and your name in your YouTube. Everybody has a YouTube channel if you can see it. What I mean is, if you can watch a YouTube video, your name is your channel. So anybody that watches YouTube videos can load it. Here's the page that opens up then. Every app's different on the phone, on the computer, but what's going to pull up on me is in my computer. I'm going to click the upload video button. So the second step is going into your device, whether it be your camera or a computer or a game or a PC, and find the video. Once you find it, you double click on it, it automatically uploads into the YouTube video uploader. Very simple, very easy. The only hard part here is finding your video. Now in my case, I opened up my videos inside my computer, and there it is. It should be marked test 1. I simply choose it, double click on it, and it will upload. Very simple, very easy. So once it starts uploading, a page opens that wants you to put in the title and the description. For right now, I'm going to leave test 1, but I'm going to go back later on and change the title to how to make a video, YouTube video. But description is important. It describes what the video is. Now the good thing about uploading a YouTube video, you can always go back, change your title and change your description even after you made the video. In this case, I'm going to re-edit, put a title page on it, and change the title and the description. Easy to do. Anytime, even after it's done. Here's where you have a choice. YouTube will choose a portion of your video that you can click on and be the screen that shows your video, or you can edit a video clip, add printing, add writing, and put it in upload video on the left. You have two options, either way. And that's what come up the most important part of a YouTube video. It's going to ask you if it's made for kids. Always, always, always hit no. Even if you're a 10-year-old subscriber to my channel that loves gaming, just always do it, because it results in litigation that you say it is, because they've had issues with people preying on children and posting bad videos. So always, I mean always, click not for kids. Even if it shows you a baby eating food. And once you click not for kids, underneath it, it says show more. Always 100% every video, click on that, because what it's going to do is going to open up your tags. Your tags are going to show what your video is, so you can get viewers. Here's your first pre-checked box. It's for automatic chapters. I really don't care, so I'm going to leave it checked, but beware these pre-checked boxes. YouTube is starting to check things that you may or may not agree to. So I'm looking for is tags. Now right above tags is what I'm looking for. You see another checkbox. It's pre-checked. They're in black. You did not check them. It allows featured places. So if you record yourself at a restaurant, they can make money off that restaurant, and you will not get any of it in your video once you become monetized. It is tags. Tags exposes your video, shows your video to other people who are just searching YouTube. You put in a search word. Now YouTube will tell you it's minimal. Do not believe them. What you put on this video, like gaming or fish or fishing or anything like that, is important. It's not only in your gaming channel. In my case, it will expose my video to other people looking for other subjects. It's the most important thing you can do when you post a video on YouTube. Now here's the red alert that made me make this video for my subscribers that wanted to make a video. I'm not sure if it's only on monetized channels or every channel. Allow short sampling. Allow other creators to sample this content. You do not allow anyone to take parts of your videos and make money from it, because you don't get no money back. So I'm going to uncheck this box always, forever and ever. In fact, I'm going to uncheck all of them soon. Now here you see I unchecked it. I do not allow anyone to sample my shorts. I will, of course, permit them to notify subscribers, but I'm not sure what embedding is, but I will find out. And if it's trying to steal anything from me, I'm going to erase that too. But you do it every video. If you don't get those check boxes when you're making a video, consider yourself lucky. You're small enough for them not trying to prey on you. Now the next important thing is your game title if you're making a gaming video, in the case of gaming. Anything else, you would not go by this. You pick a word and YouTube will suggest the game heading that they post. You'll be prompted then in comments and ratings. I only allow good commenters. I don't allow trolls. That way it blocks trolls with their nasty comments, and you can ghost them and remove them from your channel forever. And the next box you want to leave checked is show how many people like this video. That's what you always want. You want to see people that like your video. I don't worry about the thumbs up, and I don't worry about subscribers, because I don't beg for neither one. But you will want to see your likes. Now here at the beginning of the video uploading, I changed the title page and added print. Added a title, how to make your YouTube video. Anyone can do it. You can change it anytime. So if you see a misspelled title, you can go back and change it, even after the video is posted. So now I published the video, and now I realized, oh no, I didn't add the last part that I'm saying on this. So I'm going to delete it. It says you have to delete it permanently. No such thing. You can delete this video, re-edit it, and put it back on. So you see the video is gone, but it is not. I still have it in my editor, and I'm going to add these last little clips I just added to it. I'm going to put the whole thing back together, and I will repost it. If you get prompted by YouTube that you can't repost it, just change the title page or take a different picture. It will be a different video. So don't play the game, and don't let nobody stop you. And proof of this is in YouTube itself. You'll look at a video with a different title page, a different title, and you're looking into the video, you'll open it up, and it's the same video from a month ago. That's how the media sites replay videos to keep making money. So don't let YouTube say it's deleted forever. No such thing. So that's it. That's how you make a video. Try it. Have fun. I started making them for fun. By golly, now I have 670 something videos. So it makes me $40 a month. I'm not really worried about that. It's a hobby, and it's a great hobby. But don't let complications stop you from making anything you want to make. Remember that in life. See you next video.